velvet cake.
What would you like? I want a cheesecake. Thank you.
Nice. Get a pizza.
Drink, or do you need a few more minutes?
For a drink, yeah, I'm going to get a, I think it was a pina colada. Yeah, and cafe latte, Victorian.
Yes.
Yeah, cafe latte. We'll have 2 pina coladas then.
Even better.
It's even better, yeah.
So good, yeah.
That's all.
French fries or a salad with that?
I'll have French fries.
All right, and then for you, ma'am? I can feel it halfway. That was good.
This is some hot bread, kind of baguette bread and butter. Nice.
Delicious, very delicious. It's yummy, very yummy.
Yep. That looks like some cheesecake.
Oh, it's delicious.
Bon appetit. Oh, yeah. That's so good. So good. Have a taste. Blue Hawaii. Blue Hawaii. And I've got a pina colada. And a cheesecake. And I got the classic burger and chips.